Here's how to hide apps on Android. Now, if you're on your Android phone and you wanted to hide an app, let's say the Instagram app, so that it either doesn't show up at all on your phone or it's hidden so that no one knows you actually have the Instagram app on your phone, I'll show you two different options. The first option is let's head into the Google Play Store and we're going to hit search, and on here, we're going to search for icon changer. This is a really helpful option if you don't want somebody to know that you have a certain app on your phone and you want it to cloak it so that it looks different. So you can see X icon changer here. This is a great option, 10 million downloads. Let's just download it and hit open. I'll show you how this works, and then another option, how to completely hide the app if you don't like this option. Now, let's get out of here. And in this case, I'm going to choose Instagram on this list. And you can see change icon. I can choose the library, a photo, apps. I can even use a GIF or GIF if I wanted to. Let's say in this case, I just want to use the little moon symbol because basically that's innocuous. Nobody will guess that's Instagram. Let's hit the OK button and you can see changing new icon. After it's done that, just hit add to your home screen. And I'll show you what it looks like. Here is that new Instagram app logo. I'm going to press and hold on the normal Instagram and hit remove. And then I'm going to move this here. And just like that, nobody will know that I have Instagram on there unless they randomly find, oh, I wonder what this app is, tap on it and opens it up. However, let's say you want to completely hide it out. You don't want anyone to be able to see it. You can also do that by swiping up and tapping on your settings option here. Now, within the settings of your Samsung Galaxy or whatever Android phone you have, let's scroll down and tap on home screen. And then again, let's scroll down and you're looking for the option that says hide apps on home and apps screens. Just tap on that. And I'm going to scroll down until I find Instagram on this list. Let's say, again, I don't want anyone knowing I have Instagram. Tap on it and then just hit done. Now, if I hop out of here, you'll be able to see, let's pretend that I didn't add that over there. You just went this route instead. You can see if I swipe up and I search for Instagram, it doesn't show up with anything. Essentially, that app is completely hidden on your phone. The only way that you're able to get that app back is to go back into your settings, go back to the hide apps, and then hit the little minus symbol to remove that and hit done. After you've done that, you'll be able to see it in the app screen and add it back to your home screen if you want to start using it again.